Welcome to Twin Craft Treasures. In today's video, we'll go through how to make a very unique gift. Could be look like cat or bear, depend on your preferences. So, what type of gift you're looking for, your favorite one from scratch. So, I'm going to tell you the step here, and if you are interested to make this gift, so please do visit our website www.twincrafttreasure.com, and from there you need to book a workshop, and all details is available there. You can drop us an email or you can give us a call. So to start a short step from scratch, so is start from here. So you need a piece of paper and some color, and all instrument is here. What you need for this tutorials. So from here to final look would be here. So start from here, you need those all the instrument to design color to make the final look. And this is all the middle look, one here, and then next it would look like that, and then slightly different look here, and the final look would be here. So this could be cat or bear, what's your children or loved one looking for. So you could make a different design colors and get from here to here. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new video. Bye bye.